Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you've just updated your iOS, but now your iPhone is stuck on the software update complete screen? You tap, continue, but nothing happens. You tap it again and again, but it's still frozen? Don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue quickly and safely without losing your data. Let's dive in. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. This is a quick and effective way to fix minor software glitches that could be causing the issue. Here's how to do it. First, press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. After the reboot, you should be able to get past the screen and get to the home screen. If a force restart doesn't work, the second method is to reinstall the iOS update using iTunes. First, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. Then boot your iPhone into recovery mode. Here's how to do it. First, press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until recovery mode appears. Then open iTunes on your computer. Choose Update when prompted. Click Update again to confirm. iTunes will automatically update your iPhone software. The update is complete. You'll be able to access your iPhone and use it without any issues. If iTunes doesn't work for you either, consider using iSumsoft iOS Refixer to fix the issue. This powerful tool can fix various iOS system issues, including screen freezes, without losing any data. Download and install this tool on your computer. Then launch the software. Choose System Repair. Choose Standard Mode. Click Start to proceed. Ensure your iPhone is connected to your computer via USB cable, and boot your iPhone into recovery mode. Then click Next. The software will automatically detect your iPhone. Click Download to download the latest firmware for your iPhone. Finally, click Repair to start repairing your iPhone. The repair was successful. You'll now be able to go straight to your iPhone without any issues. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.